Hi, it's Dr. Murray from Murray Natural Health and Chiropractic here in Hastings, doing a short video for you today here on COVID-19, the coronavirus. This is just a special announcement to let you know that we are actually performing this test in our office. We are offering this through curbside collections. We do have kits available, but there are very few. I was kind of hesitant just to even do this video, just because we do have so few. But there is a lot of concern out there, and I think that there's a real need for at least getting that testing available out there. This is not being provided to asymptomatic patients per recommendations from the CDC as well. We are doing these tests through Quest and LabCorp, which have been mentioned nationally as well. So if those individuals, if you have a cough or a fever, priority is going to be provided in accordance to CDC guidelines, which would be elderly and those who are immune compromised, such as diabetics and some other folks. Those also have been in contact with someone who has previously been tested positive for COVID-19 as well. So if you're having symptoms of infection, we do recommend that you contact the healthcare provider of your choice. But we can and will provide this testing at our facility, not in our facility, but we will be, like I said, doing curbside collections, where we are making every preparation to make the safe environment in our office here for any patient who's coming in for service. The second part of my talking with you today is to bring up this as well. 2 Timothy 1:7 says, "Our God has not given us a spirit of fear." There has been and there will be more bad guys and more viruses in the days ahead. I would just, of course, we recommend that you stay close to the Lord through prayer, close to your family, but don't be in fear. There are so many things that you can do to get your body healthier so that it can heal and repair and self-regulate, and that's not even being mentioned. That's nowhere being mentioned. I'm going to mention just a few things here that has been shown. They've been shown, proven. We know that's related to a healthy immune system. Number one is sleep, getting adequate sleep. If you're not getting adequate sleep, then your immune system will be challenged more so. You should be getting adequate sleep. Try and reduce your alcohol consumption, caffeine consumption, not consuming food late at night. All those are important kind of strategies. Going to bed early, why not? Those are all important strategies, but getting proper sleep is important for a healthy immune system, and so that's something you can control. Exercise. A lot of times when we're more sedentary and stuck inside, we don't exercise as much. I went out and ran here over the lunch hour about 4 miles. Nobody's out there jogging. We need to get out there exercising. It's important for a healthy immune system. It helps to bring things in and out of our lungs. We know that it's good for the immune system. Multiple studies showing that even geriatric populations that exercise just have fewer colds and flus. So make sure that you're exercising. Diet. Obviously staying away from sugar. We know that diabetics they're one of those immune compromised groups. And so making sure we're trying to stay away from sugar. Multiple studies showing that excessive amounts of sugar consumption is difficult and hard on the immune system. But making sure we're getting proper vegetable consumption in our diet, staying away from junk food. Perhaps this is a good time for you and your family to reevaluate your nutrition and lifestyle choices so that you're actually eating more things by God, giving your body what it needs and taking away what it doesn't need, and dealing with your deficiencies. In our office, we do a lot of deficiency testing, so we do a lot of vitamin D and B12, a lot of testing through traditional laboratory testing. If you've been one of our patients who have been tested, well, you need to be supporting your body effectively. So make sure you're taking care of those deficiencies, because those that do have true deficiencies are ones that may be, according to the National Institutes of Health, are one of those categories of potentially immune compromised individuals. Everybody wants to know things that just kind of generally support your immune system. On our office, we use monolaurin, vitamin C, liquid colostrum, elderberry, zinc lozenges. A lot of those are all great and fine to use. And so go ahead and use those. They're supportive for the immune system. But perhaps you need to test and to get to root causes of why your immune system isn't functioning the way it should. So that's what we do from our nutrition evaluation. So 2 Timothy 1:7, our God has not given us a spirit of fear. I think it's important to remember that. So many people at this time are in fear. But God didn't make junk. Just start doing the things you need to do to get your body healthier. And if we can help you out, with any of your testing options, we'd be happy to do that. Murray Natural Health and Chiropractic, setting the standard in natural health care. You look good.
Yes.
Am I going?
Yes.
Oh, okay.